Namaskaram. Dear students, in the previous video, we discussed about the important questions which are expected in the first term. In this video, we will come to know the important questions which are expected in the lessons of second term. In second term, we are starting with the lesson Sapta Bhaginyaha. In Sapta Bhaginyaha, you can expect a paragraph, read the paragraph and answer the questions. That is in blueprint question number 11, Natyamsham Paditva Uttara Lekhanam. For that question, sometimes you can expect a paragraph from this lesson. So, what you have to do is to read the lesson and understand the content. Okay, so for that purpose, let us go through the exercises. Ekapadena Uttarada and Purnavakena Uttarada. Exercise number 2. Asmagan Deshe Kadi Rajyani Sandhi. How many states are there in our country? Answer Ashtavinshadi. Prajina Idihase Kaha Swadinaha Asan. In the ancient history, which states are independent? Answer Saptabhaginyaha. Keshan Samavayaha Saptabhaginyaha idi Kathyade. The group of which states is called as Seven Sisters? Answer Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Nagaland. Asmagan Deshe Kadi Kendra Shastra Pradeshaha Sandhi. In our country, how many union territories are there? Answer Sapta. Sapta Bhagini Pradeshe Kaha Udyogaha Sarva Pramukhaha. What business is very important in the area of these seven sisters? Answer Vamshodyogaha, bamboo industry. Purnavakyena Uttarada. Bhagini Saptage Kani Rajyani Sandhi. Which all states are there in the seven sisters that we have already discussed. Imani Rajyani Sapta Bhaginyaha idi Kimartham Katyante. These places, these states have been called as seven sisters. Why? That is a question. Answer Samajiga Samskritika Paridrishyanam Samyad Imani Rajyani Sapta Bhaginyaha idi Katyante. Answer is there in the second page of the lesson. Saptabhagini Pradeshe Ke Nivasandi. In seven sisters, in the states of seven sisters, who all are living? Answer Garo, Ghasi, Naga, Mijo, Prabhadayaha, Janajadiyaha, Nivasandi. Answer is there in the third page of the lesson. Edat Pradeshigaha Kaihi Nishnadaha Sandi. These people are very much expert in which area? Swalila Kalabihi, their own handicrafts. Vamsha Vriksha Vastvana Ubyogaha Kutra Kriyade. The use of bamboo trees, where it is being done. People are using bamboo trees in the making of what are things? In the making of dress, ornaments and up to the construction of houses. Avastrabhushnebhyaha Griha Nirmana Paryandam. Vamsha Vriksha Vastvana Ubyogaha Kriyade. Answer is there in the third page. Now, Yada Nirdesham Uttarada, that also just you read. Mahodeye me bhagini katedi. Atra me idi sarvanama padam kasse prayuktam. Madam, my sister is saying. My sister. Who is that my? That is the question. Answer Swara. This is the dialogue of Swara. Samajiga Samskrita Paridrishana Samya Dimani Uttobadina Pradidani. Asmin Vakye Pradidani idi Kriyapadasya Kartrapadam Kim. What is the Kartrapadam, subject of the verb Pradidani? Answer Imani. Edesha Rajana Punaha Sangadanam Vihidam. Atra Sangadanam idi Kartrapadasya Kriyapadam. What is the verb of Sangadanam? Answer Vihidam. Atra Vamsa Vrishwana Prajuryam Vidyade. Atra Asmad Vakyad Alpada. In this sentence there is a word which means which is the opposite of Alpada. Alpada iti padasya viparidharthakam. In this sentence one word is there that is the opposite of Alpada. Answer prachuryam. Prachuryam meaning much. ക്ഷേത്രപരിമാണൈഹി ഇമാനി ലഘൂനി വർത്തന്തെ വാക്യാത് സന്ധി ഇതി ക്രിയാപദസ്യ സമാനാർത്ഥപദം. സന്ധി. In this sentence, one word is there which means sandhi. The word is vartante. Okay, that is very important from this lesson. So you study this question answers and that grammar part also very important. Next we are coming to Nidhi Navanidham. Nidhi Navanidham is slogas are there. There are 6 slogas. These slogas sometimes you can expect for the question in the blueprint number 10. Padyamsham Padutta Uttara Leganam. From this lesson, sometimes 1 or 2 slogas will be there. Based on the slogas, there will be questions. So let us go through the exercises. Number 1. Adho ligidani prashnanam uttarani ekabadena ligada. Nranam sambhave kau klesham sahede. In bringing up the people who are having the suffering. Klesham means suffering. Answer Mada Pidarau. Mother and father. Mada Pidaru is the answer. Kidrisham Jalam Pibed. What type of water is to be taken? Answer Vastrapudam. The water which is being purified by cloth, which is being filtered by cloth. That water is to be taken. Nidhi Navanidham Padaha Kasmad Grandhar Sangalida. From which lesson the Nidhi Navanidham? From which book this lesson Nidhi Navanidham is taken? Answer Manusmriti. Kidrishim Vajam Vaded. What type of words is to be spoken? Answer Satyapudam. Purified by truth. That means truthful words. Satyapudam is the answer. Dukkham Kim Bhavati. What is sorrow? Sarvam Paravasham. Depending on others for everything is sorrow. Sarvam Paravasham is the answer. Atmavasham Kim Bhavati. Depending on oneself is something. What is that? Answer Sukham. Happiness. Kidrisham Karma Samachared. What type of work is to be done? Answer Manapudam. The work which is being purified by mind. That means after careful thinking, we should do everything. Whatever be the work we are doing, we should think properly, then only enter into the work. That is the meaning. Manapudam is the answer. Purnavakyana Uttarada. Padhe Asmin Sugadukkayoho Kim Lakshanam Uktam. What is the definition given in this chapter for Sukham and Dukkham? Sarvam Paravasham Dukkham, Sarvam Almavasham Sukham. Depending on others for everything is sorrow. Depending on one's own self for everything is happiness. Varshashadehi abhi kasya nishkritihi kartum na shakya. That repayment of the debt is not possible even by 100 years. What is that? Answer Nranam Sambhave Madapidarau Yam Klesham Sahede Tasya Nishkritihi Varshashadehi abhi kartum na shakya. Answer is there in slogan number 2. Trishu Tushteshu Tabaha Samapyade. Vakya Asmin Trayaha Ke Sandhi. If these 3 are happy, all worships are over. Who are these 3? That is the question. Answer Mata, Pita, Acharyaha. Mother, father and teacher. Asmabhihi Kidrisham Karma Kartavyam. What type of work we have to do? Manapudam Samachari is given. That is answer. Manapudam Karma Kartavyam. Abhivadana Shilasya Kani Vardande. What other things will increase for a person who is having the habit of saluting others, respecting others? Answer Ayuhu Vidya Yashaha Balam. Lifespan, knowledge, fame and power. Sarvada Kesham Priyam Kuryad. Always we should do good to whom? Mada Pitroho Ajaryasya cha. Mother, father and teacher. That is the answer. In this lesson, one more question is very important. Exercise number 7. Manjushadaha Chitwa Ujida Avyena Vakyapurtim Kurida. Fill in the blanks with the suitable words. Tavad Abhi Eva Yatha Nityam Yadrasham. These are the words given. Tavad till then. Abhi also. Eva only. Yatha in which way. Nityam daily. Yadrasham what type of. These are the meaning of the words. Tayoho dash priyam kuryad. Answer nityam. Tayoho nityam priyam kuryad. We should do good thing for both of them. dash karma karishyasi tadrisham phalam prapyasi. Answer yadrisham. Yadrisham karma karishyasi tadrisham phalam prapyasi. What type of work you are doing, you will get the result accordingly. Yadrisham and tadrisham. In the sentence, if yadrisham is there, tadrisham will follow. Varshashadehi dash nishkritihi na kartam shakya. Answer abhi. Varshashadehi abhi. Even by 100 years, the repayment is not possible. Teshu dash trishu tushteshu tabaha samapyade. Teshu eva. Eva is the answer. If these three are satisfied, then all worships are over. Dash raja tadha praja. Answer yatha. Yatha raja tadha praja. In which way the king, that way the people. Yatha tadha. In the sentence, if yatha is there, tadha will follow. Yavad safaraha na bhavadi dash parisramam guru. Yavad safaraha na bhavadi tavad parisramam guru. Yavad means till when, tavad till then. Till when result is not there, till then do hard work. Okay, these are the important questions from that lesson. Then we will come to the next lesson, Savitri by Phule. This is an important chapter in the blueprint, question number 9. Gadyamsham Padita Uttara Leganam. For that question, sometimes you can expect a paragraph from this lesson. Let us go through the exercise. Ekapadena Uttarada. Kidrishinam Kuridinam Savitri Mukharam Virodam Akaroda. Savitri fought against something. Some bad customs prevailed in the society. Okay, what is that? That is a question. Answer, Samajika Kuridinam. The bad customs prevailed in the society. Samajika Kuridinam is the answer. Ke Kubad Jalodharanam Avaren. Who prevented from taking water from the well? Answer, Uchavargiyaha Naryaha. High class women. High class women prevented the low class women from taking water from the well. Ka Sudradanisyad na Vichaladi. Who didn't go back from her strong decision? Answer, Savitri Bai Phule. Vidhavanam Shiromundanasya Niragaranaya sa Kaihi Milida. Savitri Bai Phule met some people for preventing the shaving of hair of widows. Who are they? That is the question. Answer, Nabidehi, with barbers. Sa Kasam Grade Pradeshasya Pradhamam Vidyalaya Marabada. Savitri Bai Phule started a school to whom? Answer, Kanyanam, for girls. Purnavakyana Uttarada. Kim Kim Sahamana Savitri Bai Sodridanasyadu na Vijaladi. After suffering, what are things? Savitri Bai Phule didn't go back from her strong decision. That is the question. Answer is there in the first paragraph of the lesson. Marge kaschit tasyaha ubari dhulim kaschitcha prastara gandan shibadi paramsa so dridanisyad navijaladi. On the way, people were throwing at her sand and pieces of stones, but even then she didn't go back from her strong decision. Savitri Bai Phule Mahodayaha Pitroho Nama Kimasi. What was the name of the parents of Savitri Bai Phule? Father Gandoji, mother Lakshmi Bai. Vivaha Anandaramabhi Savitriyaha Manasi Adhyana Abhilasha Katham Ulsaham Praptavadi. Savitri Bai Phule has got a desire in learning, and that desire of learning increased after her marriage. Why? That is the question. Answer, Jyotiba Phule Sri Sikshayaha Prabalaha Samartakaha. Answer is there in the second paragraph. Savitri Bai Phule's husband Jyotiba Phule was a strong promoter of women education, so that the learning desire in Savitri Bai Phule increased. Jalam Pad Nivaryamanaha Narihi Sa Kutra Nidavadi Kim Chagadede. Some women were high class women prevented low class women from taking water from the well, and those women, low class women, Savitri Bai Phule took to somewhere, to where she has been taken. She took these women. That is the question. Answer, Sugraham. Savitri Bai Phule took these women, low class women, to her own house. Sugraham is the answer. കാസം സംസ്ഥാനം സ്ഥാപനായാം ഫുലെ ദമ്പത്യോः അവദാനം മഹത്വപൂർണം. ദി Savitribai Phule and her husband, both of them's contribution is very important in the establishment of which organization? That is a question. Answer: Mahila Seva Mandalam, Shishu Hatya Prabandha Grih. These two are there. Answer is there in the 2, 3, 4, 5th paragraph. Answer is there. Okay. Satya Shodhaka Mandalasya Uddesham Kim Asit. What was the aim of the establishment of the organization Satya Shodhaka Mandalam? Answer: Utpididanam Samudayanam Swadhigaran Prati Jagaranam. The purpose is to educate the low class people for their rights, what all are rights they are having in the country, for giving education to the low class people. She started Satya Shodhaka Mandalam, an organization. Tasyaha Dvayoh Kavya Sankalnyoh Namani Ke. What are the two books written by Savitribai Phule? Answer: Kavya Phule, Subodha Ratnakaraha. Okay, these are the important questions from that lesson. Then one more exercise is there. Exercise number 7 is very important. In the blueprint there is a question number 5, Lakara Parivartana. Question number 5 in blueprint. For that question you can expect this exercise. Sa Adhyapane Samlagna Bhavati. Bhavati is present tense, change into future. Okay, only thing you have to change the tense, change the verb. Bhavati, present tense, you have to change into future. The future of Bhavati is Bhavishyati. Saha Trayodasha Varsha Kalpaha Asti. Asti is present tense, change into past tense. Past tense of Asti, Asid. Mahilaha Tadaga Jalam Nayandi. Nayandi, present tense. Pradama Purushaha Bahuvachanam, change into lot. So, answer: Nayandu. Vayam Pradidinam Padam Padamaha. Padamaha, present tense, Uttama Purushan Bahuvachan, change into Vithiling, Padhema is the answer. Yuyam Kim Vidyalayam Gachatha. Gachatha is present tense, let lagar, Madhyama Purushan Bahuvachan. So the future tense is Gamishyatha. Te Balagaha Vidyalaya Griham Gacchandi. Gacchandi, past tense, Agachan. Okay, these are the answers. So study well. This is very, very important. It may come for your examination. Then next we are coming to the lesson Kaha Rakshati Kaha Rakshita. It is also a skit and Natyamsham Paditva Uttaraleganam. For that purpose sometimes you can expect questions from this chapter. Okay. Kana Pididaha Vaibhavaha Bahiragadaha. Ekapadena Uttarada. Why Vaibhav came out? Answer: Prajandoshmana, with much hotness. Bhavana Ityadina Nirmanaya Ke Kartyande. What other things have been cut for the construction of houses? Answer: Vrikshaha. Marge Kim Drishtva Balaha Parasparam Vartalabam Kurandi. Children are talking together by seeing something on the way. What is that? Answer: Avakaram. Avakaram meaning waste. Vayam Sikshidaha Bhi Kadam Ajaramaha. We are educated but we are behaving like something. What is that? Asikshidaha is the answer. We are educated but we are behaving as if we are not educated. Plastikasya mritigayam laya bhavat kasya kride mahadi kshadihi bhavati. Plastic cannot join with the soil. Because of that there is a big loss to what? Which is having that loss? Answer: Paryavaranasya. Loss is there for the environment. Adya nidhada tapataptasya kim shushkata yadi. What is getting dried up because of the hotness? Answer: Talu. Purnavakyan Uttarada. Parminder Grihat Bahiragate Kim Kachari. What does Parminder see after coming out from the house? Answer: Vayuvegaha Avaruddhaha. The air is blocked. Okay, there is no air outside. Air is blocked. Vayuvegaha Avaruddhaha. Asmabhihi Kesha Nirmanaya Vrikshaha Kartande. We are cutting trees for the construction of what things? Answer: Bahu Bhumika Bhavananam, Bhumigata Marganam, Metro Marganam, Sedunam. We are cutting trees for making flats, underground way, okay, metro way and bridges. Vinayah Sangeetam Ahuya Kim Vadadi. What does Vinay say after calling Sangeeta? Mahodaya Kripam Kuru. Answer is there in the second page. Sangeete Kripam Kuru Marge Brahmadbhyaha Edattu Sarvada Ashobhanam Krityam. Do some mercy towards the people walking through the road. Okay, don't put waste to the road. That is the answer. Ande Josephah Paryavaranakshay Kaha Upayaha Bodhedi. At the end, Joseph. One more question is there in between. Rosalind Agatya Kim Karodi. What does Rosalind do after coming down? Rosalind Balehi Saha Sotshiptam Avakaram Marge Vigirnam Anyat Avakaram Chabi Sangrifya Avakara Kandole Padedi. She is collecting the waste along with the boys and putting it in the waste basket. She was doing that. Yes. Ande Josephah Paryavaranakshaikaha Ubayaha Bodhedi. At the end, what does Joseph say for the protection of environment? Answer. Pitroho Shikshaganam Sahayogena Paryavarana Raksha Karaniya. He is saying that with the help of parents and teachers, we have to do something for the protection of environment. That is the answer. And question number 4, exercise Sandhi Vichhedan Pureda, very important. Grishma Rdau, Grishma plus Rdau, Bahiragatya, Bahihi plus Agatya, Kanchid, Kam plus Chid, Tadvanam, Tad plus Vanam, Kalametyadina, Kalam plus Idi plus Adini, Adiva Ananda Pradoyam, Adiva plus Ananda Pradaha plus Ayam. Okay, these are very important. Okay, now the next lesson Chidau Rajade Bharata Swarna Bhumi. Okay, that lesson onwards I will do in the next video. Thank you children, study well, wish you all the best. Thank you.